Portable solar panel kits are the cornerstone for off-grid power solutions, particularly the 160-watt variants. They offer a balance between power and portability, ideal for outdoor enthusiasts and remote applications. These kits are designed with the nomad in mind. They can be easily folded, carried, and set up anywhere. At 160 W, they pack enough punch to charge essential devices, making them a favorite for campers and RV users. Monocrystalline silicon cells provide the backbone for these panels, well known for their efficiency and durability. With an average conversion efficiency of 21–22%, these panels ensure that more sunlight is converted into usable electrical energy. The use of monocrystalline cells typically offers a longer lifespan and better performance in low light conditions compared to other cell types. These solar panel kits come equipped with a carry case that doubles as a stand, enabling users to set the panels at the optimal angle for solar absorption. Weighing only about 15 pounds, they are a lightweight solution to power needs on the go. They are designed to support and power multiple devices, including EcoFlow's Delta and River power stations. Connectivity is facilitated through alligator clips and other compatible connectors.